oil catch can to suit your 4JJ3 Mazda Isuzu BT50 dmax. Really nice kit. Now this kit that we're talking about is the Flashlube kit, and the part number is FCCKT38. These are available from our online store and we keep them in stock, so if you want to pick one up over the counter, by all means give us a call, or we can send one out, free shipping Australia wide. So the big thing I want to demonstrate or show to you is that they've got beautiful rubber molded hoses, and this just makes the difference between all the other kits on the market. So everything wraps around neatly, not hitting against anything, just super nice fit, all super flexible, super soft, so there's no extra tension on anything. They come with a really nice catch can bracket, and they also have, I'll get down in here, they also have a drain which we mount down low, and you can pretty much, just during service intervals, you just drain your tap. So really good, well thought out kit, super easy to fit. If you've just got simple garden tools from home, you know, 45 minutes tops to have it installed. It's really easy. Doing your engine a favour by keeping all that ugly stuff out of the intake, and keeping it nice and healthy, and combine one of these with an ECU remap, and you know, that's a really good package all up. So if you're in the market for a catch can kit, I highly recommend the Flashlube kit. It's a really nice, simple and easy to install kit with super molded hoses, you know, and everything just works neat, and which is what you want on a brand new car. So but anyway guys, thanks for watching this one. See you next time.